Want to build wealth through real estate? Be careful. One wrong move could cost you thousands. In today's video, I'm revealing the top 5 financial mistakes that could ruin your real estate dreams and how you can avoid them. Whether you're buying your first home or building a property empire, you don't want to miss this. Real estate can be one of the best ways to grow your wealth, but it's also easy to make costly mistakes if you're not careful. So I will share 5 common real estate financial mistakes, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, not having a clear budget. A lot of people jump into real estate without a solid financial plan. They see a property they like, fall in love with it, and then realize they're in over their heads. Here's the thing. You need to know exactly how much you can afford. Not just the down payment, but also closing costs, property taxes, insurance, maintenance, and even unexpected repairs. Pro tip: follow the 28-36 rule. Your monthly housing expenses should not exceed 28% of your gross income, and your total debt, including car loans, credit cards, etc., should stay below 36%. By following this rule, you'll avoid overspending. Mistake number 2, skipping the pre-approval process. I get it. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage isn't the most exciting part of buying a home. But trust me, it's crucial. Without a pre-approval letter, you're shopping blind. You don't know how much you can borrow, and sellers won't take you seriously. In a competitive market, that can cost you your dream home. Pro tip: get pre-approved before you even start looking at properties. It'll save you time, stress, and maybe even money in the long run. Mistake number 3, ignoring the true cost of homeownership. A lot of first-time buyers focus solely on the mortgage payment, but owning a home comes with a lot of extra expenses: property taxes, insurance, HOA fees, maintenance, and repairs. And let me tell you, those costs can add up fast. If you're unprepared, you could end up in a financial bind. Pro tip: set aside 1 to 2% of your home's value each year for maintenance and repairs. For example, if your home is worth $300,000, AIMTO $300,000 annually. This will help you avoid nasty surprises down the road. Mistake number 4, over-leveraging yourself. Real estate can be a great way to build wealth, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Some investors make the mistake of taking on too much debt, thinking they can flip properties or rent them out for a quick profit. However, if the market takes a downturn or you can't find tenants, you could lose everything. Pro tip: always have a safety net. Save at least 6 months' worth of mortgage payments, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Slow and steady wins the race. Mistake number 5, not doing enough research. And finally, real estate is hyper-local. What works in one neighborhood might not work in another. If you don't do your homework, you could end up buying a property in a declining market or overpaying for something that's not worth it. Pro tip: research the area thoroughly. Look at recent sales, rental rates, and future development plans. And don't be afraid to ask for help. A good real estate agent or financial advisor can be worth their weight in gold. So there you have it, 5 common real estate financial mistakes and how to avoid them. Real estate can be an amazing investment, but only if you approach it with the right mindset and preparation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone thinking about buying a home or investing in real estate. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth and making smart financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.